In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt-4 to create a business plan prompt. Let's dive right in and explore how you can harness the power of AI to streamline your business planning process in just 5 minutes. First things first, you're going to want to open up ChatGPT. If you haven't accessed it before, just head over to OpenAI's official site and log into your account. It's important that you have access to Chatgpt-4 as this is the version we'll be working with. Once you're in, you'll notice the clean interface that welcomes you. Simple and user-friendly, just what you need for an efficient experience. Now, let's create a new chat. You can start a brand new conversation by selecting the option to initiate a new chat. This step ensures a fresh session with no previous context, which is ideal for focusing specifically on your business plan objectives without any distractions from past interactions. Once your fresh chat is ready, take a moment to define your goal very clearly. What aspect of your business are you planning for? Whether it's about formulating strategies, outlining objectives, or detailing financial projections, the more precise you can be, the better. This clarity will be crucial because it guides Chatgpt-4 in generating accurate and relevant prompts that are aligned with your needs. Next, you'll want to ask Chatgpt-4 to generate the best prompt for your specific goal. By inputting a request like, generate a business plan prompt for expanding an e-commerce business, you give the AI a directive to create a tailored prompt. The response should encapsulate all the vital components your business plan needs, drawing from a vast database of knowledge that Chatgpt-4 accesses. Once you receive the prompt, it's time to run it. Input the prompt into the chat and let Chatgpt-4 work its magic. Watch as it compiles a comprehensive and coherent business plan outline based on this specific prompt. Its capabilities in structuring and suggesting ideas can truly transform the way you perceive your next business move. After running the initial prompt, it's smart to iterate using follow-ups. If the first draft doesn't hit all the marks, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or make further specifications. This is an iterative process, and each interaction refines the outcome, tailoring it perfectly to your expectations. Once you're satisfied with the output, the final step is to copy the entire body of work into your preferred documentation tool, perhaps Google Docs or Notion. This makes it easy to edit, share, and expand your business plan as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently tap into the capabilities of Chatgpt-4 to assist in crafting a thorough and effective business plan prompt, setting you on the path to success. Thanks for joining me, and happy planning.